Enabling two-factor authentication on your Ally bank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ally Bank website or open the Ally mobile app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. In the security settings menu, search for the option to enable two-factor authentication. It may be listed as two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. This could be via text message, email, or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to you. Complete this step and ensure you save any changes made to your security settings. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Ally bank account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without issues.